At the Shanty at Blue Mountain, Lynn sends you off with an excellent breakfast. This is probably the best gluten-free pancake I've ever had. I think I ate about 4 of them. She can accommodate many different diets. And I grab a container out of her recycle bin because I learn how much water I'm going to need to carry over the next few days. And then I start my trip to the knife's edge. So pink and floofy. I think I'm climbing up to the knife's edge. That's what I think. I'll let you know once I get to the top. It is the knife's edge here. Okay, so this is the knife's edge. See that white line? That's the blaze. That's the trail up there. And that big rock is being held up by this block. I could go this way. I mean, it's been sitting there a while. I know it's fine, but I'm wondering, is it best to try to scramble up here or to kind of go this way? I think I'm gonna go this way to up there. Just taking a break. A little breezy. All right, it looks like I have made it precariously balancing here to the end, or almost to the end of Knife's Edge. That was fun. That was a workout. As soon as I get to a comfy spot, I'm gonna sit down there and eat some carbohydrates. Yes, I am. Might eat a whole bunch of them because my muscles are shaking. Don't worry, it's something that has good fat in it too. All right. Yeah. Rock scrambles with 35 pounds on your back is interesting. It is. All right, so I'm almost done scrambling down the Knife's Edge. I just have to get my way down here, and I'm scooting down on my butt on these rocks, and I got stuck, and I had to take my pack off because, like, my bottom tie got wedged in there, and I cannot get it out. It was scary for a second. I'm like, why am I trapped here? There are 80-year-olds out here, y'all. This is just, whoa, insanity. Yeah, we're gonna spend some time eating tonight and tomorrow. Lighten the pack, get the nutrition inside of me, the water inside of me, and then we're gonna go 20-mile carry of water the next 2 days. That's the plan. When every container for water you have is pretty much empty, you get excited when you hear water. I hear water rushing down below. Yeah, so this was the worst marked water trail ever. There was a turn that at least 3 of us missed. I feel better when I got down. I was following. I'm like, this is the worst blaze trail ever. There was a turn. So 2 blue lines means, hey, there's a turn. But then there was another blue blaze like right ahead. So I kept going that way. And 2 other guys kept going that way. Blue blazes to the left as well. You can't have blue blazes to the right and blue blazes to the left. So found my way back. And so now it's been like, I don't know, to get water, to get down here and back is probably going to be total 1.5 miles. I'm getting 4 liters of water. I'm gonna sit there and drink half a liter. I'm gonna fill that up again so that I'm leaving with 4 liters of water. So that I have water for tonight to really hydrate, and then water for tomorrow too. Yeah. Water. Some people just turn on the tap. I'm sure I have tromped through poison everything. And I just chomp through. I try to be as loud as possible so that no snakes are surprised by me coming through. All right, I've lost the plate. I'm off the dang trail. The blaze is up there. But there's water right there, so I'm just gonna get my water right here and move up through the water. Probably water. I see it flowing. It's so exciting.